Alrighty, we're out here on September 15th, I think. Shelling some corn. Started yesterday, opened the field up. But out here running. Notice there's a little bit of green left in the plant, but it's only been running 16 to 18% on moisture, so go ahead and run it. Definitely a good plant health. Sprayed fungicide on this field and everything, and this is one of our better farms. We did a fungicide trial here. We'll harvest later in the year. We wanted to get a side-by-side just so we could get some hard numbers on it. Because everybody, sell you fungicide and everything, but we just needed some hard numbers on it to, see if it's really worth doing or not. Because it is expensive to put fungicide on, and then to know whether it needs to be done and everything. So we got one farm, an 80-acre field. We had them go out with a Hagie sprayer and spray some. And that way we've got right to the row. Now when the corn is tasseling, we had them drive out there at the Hagie. But at least that way, it ran some down, but at least we can get some good side-by-side comparisons on it. The 210 on the auger wagon, the blower motor in the cab giving us problems on the 255. We don't want to mess with fixing it right now, so we got the 4210. It's about 90 degrees out, so we kind of need the air conditioning. Good day for drying crops though. And a good week for hay. Everybody who has hay around here took a fourth cutting this week. I took a fourth cutting also. Just had 56 bales off of my 3 acres, so not a lot, but it was some really premium hay, so I might just throw a tarp over it and go maybe try to take it down to the hay auction this winter if I don't need it, but if I do need it, I've got it. So do this field, there's 100 acres here, and then we might probably switch over to beans next week. We'll have some beans that are ready. This corn's definitely pulling pretty hard. Got some green in the stalk, and it's got a fair amount of trash coming in the head, and it's making it about the mid 240s, 245, something like that, probably about what it's making here on these longer rows. Alrighty, out here, got a pretty good dent put in the field, and we're hauling some in the elevator. That's a pretty nice haul right here. It's about 4-mile haul, the elevator. 3 of it's pretty decent roads. 2.5's real nice blacktop here. This DMI wagon pole's real nice, so pretty good. Still can't believe there's not more people running. They're south of here, a bunch of guys going about 6 miles, but not in this area. Just ain't many guys going yet. I think guys just think it's wetter than what it actually is. Or with corn prices down, they don't want to pay drying at all. Wait till it's 15. There's Grandpa. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see in videos this fall or different or something. But the third fall here I've made videos, and coming up with new material is pretty hard to do and whatnot. So if you guys are wanting to see something, let me know. I'll try to get it filmed. 2 years ago I made a video hauling in this elevator from this field in this truck about people asking for shout outs. That was a pretty big video. This the guy right here had that 504 International I worked on last summer. $19.1 on the moisture. We've gotten into a little greener corn. That little ticket printer thing there is new this year. It's kind of handy. They used to have this vacuum thing out there, and it'd suck the ticket in through the tube in the office. You know, they'd print the ticket in the office, and it didn't work very well. And it always had to send a little caramel out with it, and they just to get the ticket, give it some weight so that it would go on through the tube and kind of keep it in a ball. It worked most of the time, but sometimes it wouldn't work, and but don't get caramels anymore either. I'd end up with about 15 caramels by the end of the day. That'll about do it here for starting out on 2018 harvest. So thanks for watching.